Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn how to talk about my school in English. My school is a three-storied building. It is quite big with sports ground behind it. Inside it there is a swimming pool. On the ground floor, there are classrooms for private school pupils, workshops, library. There are all kinds of tools and machines in the workshops. The boys of our school have a woodwork room too. There is room for manual work for girls. Teachers teach them how to cook, sew, and design clothes. Our school library is nice and clean. 2 librarians help pupils to find the books they need. There are many bookcases and bookshelves with a lot of books there. If you enter the school and turn right, you see a big light dining room. It is always busy and noisy, but it is clean. Here pupils and their teachers have their lunch. There are blue curtains on the windows and beautiful pictures on the walls. There is a gymnasium on the ground floor as well. Our physical training lessons are held there. Pupils like to go there even after the lessons because it has a lot of sports equipment. Our school has many classrooms. The classrooms are light and spacious. There are 3 large windows in each classroom with flower pots on the window sills. Each room has a teacher's table, pupils' desks, a blackboard, tables and charts on the wall, maps, and portraits. There are special classrooms for chemistry, physics, biology, history, geography, English, and Russian. On the 3rd floor, there is a big nice assemble hall. A lot of meetings, concerts, festivals are held there. Our classroom is on the 2nd floor. Its windows face the school yard. Our form mistress is a teacher of Russian language and literature. We respect her very much. She is a kind and knowledgeable teacher. She teaches us Russian and is so fond of her subject that each of us cannot help liking too. When I think about my school, I don't remember its walls and desks. It is my teachers and school mates who will be always with me. I am so thankful to our teachers for what they have done for us. Thank you.